Tired of waiting forever for your reimbursement after a business trip? You're not alone. Expensify is a popular expense management tool, but how long does it really take to get your money back? Let's dive in. Expensify aims to streamline the expense reporting process, but the actual deposit timeline can vary depending on a few key factors. We'll break down the key elements that influence how quickly you see those funds hit your account. 1. Your chosen payment method. Direct deposit. This is generally the fastest option. Expensify typically initiates direct deposits within 1 to 2 business days after the report is approved. However, the actual arrival time in your bank account can depend on your bank's processing speed. Check by mail. If you opt for a check, it can take significantly longer. Mail delivery times vary, and once you receive the check, you still need to deposit it. This can add several extra days to the process. Other payment methods. Some companies may offer alternative payment methods like prepaid cards or mobile wallets. The processing times for these options can vary, so check with your company's specific policy. 2. The approval process. Manager approval. Your manager needs to review and approve your expense report before any payment can be processed. Company policies. Some companies have specific approval workflows or require additional checks, which can add time to the process. Missing information. If your report is missing any required information, such as receipts or proper categorization, it may be delayed until the necessary details are provided. Pro tip: to speed up approvals, make sure your expense reports are complete and accurate. Submit them promptly after your trip and follow up with your manager if you have any questions. 3. Your company's policies. Reimbursement frequency. Some companies have set reimbursement schedules, such as weekly or bi-weekly payouts. Internal processes. Your company may have internal procedures that impact how quickly expenses are processed, such as accounting reviews or batch processing. It's crucial to understand your company's specific reimbursement policies to get a better estimate of how long it will take to receive your funds. 4. Expensify system status. Technical issues. While rare, occasional technical glitches or system maintenance can temporarily impact payment processing. Integration issues. If your company integrates Expensify with other financial systems, any issues with those integrations can cause delays. Stay informed about any potential system issues or updates by checking Expensify's official website or contacting their support team. Here are a few tips to speed up the reimbursement process. Submit reports promptly. Don't wait until the last minute to submit your expense reports. Ensure accuracy. Double-check all information for accuracy to avoid delays caused by missing or incorrect data. Use Expensify's mobile app. The app makes it easy to capture receipts and submit reports on the go. Communicate with your manager. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out to your manager promptly. By following these tips, you can minimize delays and get your reimbursements faster. Let's address some common concerns. My report has been approved, but I haven't received my payment yet. Check your payment method. Verify that the correct payment method is selected on your report. Contact your company's finance department. Inquire about any potential delays or issues with their payment processing system. My reimbursement amount is incorrect. Review your report carefully, double-check all expenses, and ensure they are accurately recorded. Contact your manager or finance department, report the discrepancy, and provide any necessary documentation. I'm having trouble submitting my expense report. Check Expensify's Help Center, look for troubleshooting tips, or contact their support team for assistance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.